Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Usha Mist Air IC table fan. This is a 400mm table fan, as you can see from the image over here. This comes with aerodynamic PP blades for better air delivery, unique pivot arrangement for easy tilt mechanism, rust-free body, and 2 years of warranty. Do you have any more information? There's some extra information here. It says 3-speed control, fuse to auto protect motor during thermal overloading, elegant design in attractive colors, and jerk-free and uniform oscillation. That's more or less all the information here. I will open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of the box. First up, we have the main unit. This is basically the motor for the fan. These are the 3-speed settings that it comes with, and it can be, and if you look underneath, it comes with a pretty broad base as well, so this will offer a lot of stability when you finally turn this fan on. It also comes with a flat TPE cable, almost 2 meters long, with a 2-pin plug on one end. Let's see what's here. This is the base for the fan. Basically, this main unit will go on top like so, and this will give you even more stability when you put it on a flat surface. Now let's take a look over here. This is basically the fan. Comes with an aerodynamic design. It's made out of plastic. This also has this purple color to it. This is basically the purple variant, by the way. And this is the guard set. The blade will be inside this set, and there will be this guard ring protecting it from all around. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Usha Mist Air IC table fan. Thank you for watching.